Hello everyone, welcome back. Yep, we're about to get some bad weather. Our KPLC storm team has said there's some lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Beauregard, Allen, and Calcasieu parishes until 7 p.m. Damaging winds of 60 miles per hour and nickel-sized hail will be possible. Locations impacted include Lake Charles, Westlake, Moss Bluff, and Longville and Gillis. And the wind is picking up. There's the rain. Well, we have lightning rods on our home, so we're hoping that they do what they need to do again. Alright guys, just want to let y'all know I will keep y'all updated. Y'all stay safe, stay well. Always remember to prepare for the unknown.